Hi, I'm Leon, Assistant Product Manager at Daikin Australia. Today, let's take a look at Daikin's new Alira X split system, designed for tough Australian conditions. It's easier to install and genuinely easy to recommend to your customers. Alira X is still our most efficient split system, and now it's updated with some new practical improvements for installers that make a difference on site. The outdoor units have all been reconfigured with a 35-degree angled stop valve relocated down low, making the pipework connections that bit easier and reducing overall installation time. And because long-term reliability matters just as much as install speed, Alira X has been upgraded to better handle tough Australian conditions. The outdoor unit has been boosted with an enhanced operating band, taking it up from 46 to 50 degrees ambient. There's also a new gecko-resistant electrical box to help protect the circuit board. For your customer, it means year-round reliability when it counts most. Now let's talk about winter. Heat boost technology warms the room up to 25% faster than the previous Alira X, while long-time heating keeps the unit heating for longer, delaying defrost cycles by up to 100 minutes. Heating performance at 2 degrees low ambient has been improved, as well as the energy efficiency across the range, making it a smarter choice for heating compared to alternate heating options. And when the room is empty, enabling Intelligent Eye can automatically reduce unnecessary energy use by adjusting operation to a more energy efficient setting, then reversing when you're back in the room. Air quality is improved with streamer technology, helping reduce up to 99% of mold spores, pollen, and allergens, while mold-proof operation helps suppress mold growth inside the unit. And for added convenience, you can control it all through the Daikin mobile controller app. So whether you're focused on install efficiency, reliability, or long-term customer value, the new Daikin Alira X delivers on all three. Reliable, efficient, and built with installers in mind. That's the new Daikin Alira X. For more information, talk to your Daikin account manager.